Fine guy, I hope so you go do me well. Make my money where I pay, no go in vain, no. If not, you go cry for my hand.
So you don't need to stress yourself. Already see shape now.
Oh!
I'm not the stress yourself,
No,
I beg. I don't look like person if you do.
I trust you. Now why I choose you now? I choose you.
Don't be a book online. Don't they pass my house?
Fine boy, you're fine now.
Oga, wetin be your problem? You go just see person dey waka for road, you dey talk anyhow. Wetin be your problem? Who be this guy?
The thing be said, the guy, he don't pay me before. He don't pay me. So the guy know the last too. No worry. This can make a mistake.
So wetin dey try tell me now?
Calm down now. This is my customer. My customer.
Madam, call Clambed. Yeah. I don't pay you now. Come on, yeah.
The shout give me now. Calm down.
You may make a day here, they wait for you.
The guy know the last. I swear, know the last. Just 2 minutes. Just wait here.
Come on, go inside, man. Come on.
The shout give me.
Guy, you see these pills? You go take am only 2. But make sure say that girl don't dey before you go take am. Just 2. Just 2. But make sure say she don't dey before you go take am. Only 2. Only 2. Just 2.
Now even road to go to I cannot day.
You never finish. Like 2 minutes you tell me. Oh.